How to view transaction history on 1xBet. First, make sure to download the 1xBet app and open it. First, to view the transaction history on your 1xBet, here's the first step you should do. After you open it, go to the menu tab of your 1xBet app. After you go to the menu tab, it will show you some options under your profile name and deposit. Choose the other option and click it. After you click the others, it will show you some features of 1xBet. Kindly choose the account management features for you to view your transactions history on 1xBet. After you click it, it will automatically show you your transaction history or details. And now you know about it, you gain the advantage of a track of your transactions history. Here's some of the advantages that you have, such as budget tracking that helps you monitor how much you've spent and won over time. Spending awareness that allows you to identify patterns and control unnecessary betting. That is just some of the importance of having a track of your transactions history, so I hope you learned something new with me today. Thank you.